So we're gonna see how it looks. Hi there, welcome back to Captain Granat's channel. In this episode we're gonna repair a Klippo grass clipper or lawn clipper or cutter or whatever you call it. It's an XL version, or actually it's an excellent version, I would say. And as you can see here, my partner, the unicorn, is right now starting to dismount some stuff. I don't know what he's doing actually. So yeah, let's see how it's going to turn out. Welcome. So I have my own Baku tool here, which is very good in all the way. You have also the branch keys inside here. We're going to replace this part. It's the dry belt, which going from the mid axle to there and out to this gearbox here, and also the dry belt for the wheel, which is going inside here. So what you do, you start by removing these 3 screws here. You remove this, put it on the side so you know where you have the bits and pieces. Undone these 2. Alright, so now they are undone. You have to bend it a bit there, as you noticed. And as you can see here, it's weared and teared. This doesn't look nice. It's not far away from cracking, I would say. Okay, so my mechanical partner here has just advised me of that we need to remove this wheel here. Alright. So I'm gonna remove this screw there, and we're gonna separate these 2 parts, the front part and the backer part. Okay, so I have removed the nut on the back side here on this one. So just take it away. Okay, so the easiest way is to do this one. Loose there. Then you can separate this part. Do the minimized version of how to separate parts actually. Okay, so there we have it. Next step will be to remove the 4 ones here. Okay, so I have unscrewed all these 4 bolts here, which hold the complete gearbox installation. As always, put them on a safe place where you remember. Yep, so now we have flipped it so we can undo the cutters, and it's a 14mm wrench like this. The unicorn is holding up the complete machine by itself. Amazing. Okay, after some help from the unicorn, I actually succeeded to get this bolt loose, it could be sitting quite heavily. Okay, so I noticed after putting some nice WD-40 as well, you know, it's always good to have in hand. I sprayed a bit on that, some smashes, you know, easy tapping, and then it was voila, easy peasy. So now we can move to this side again. Now this should be easy to take away the complete part here. So here, yeah, so as you can see, I clean out the old grasses, and this belt is completely dried out. Most important numbers. Not much else to do than to put it back. You could, of course, if you want, when you have this by the side, open the gearbox and check that the oil is correct. And it's Torx number 25. Okay, so all the 4 screws are gone, and let's check how well it's greased inside here. You have this bearing here. Checked so that it's rolling. Don't have any janks in it. Yeah, looks good. Yep, looks good, and the grease is there, so no problemo. To replace the wheel, otherwise we don't get inside. Okay, so the best possible way to remove the wheel is actually to refit this screw, put the jank in there, and you hammer it a bit like that. Let's see if I can put the camera coming. Now it's possible to take it away, so you don't need to take it away all the way. That's enough. Of course, when you put the screw in there, you need to remove it, otherwise you're holding back the wheel from completely losing. But anyway, now the wheel is removed enough so you can take away the whole part. It's completely cracked. Yeah, old part out, new part in. Part number. So, put the new one on here. Stick parts here when you, and I can put it in there. I can tap it a bit more. Now you see it was moving. My body, the unicorn, will hold this side here while I'm punching here. So let's see. Okay, now we can see the axle coming out there. Yeah, are you satisfied? You're just gonna feel it a bit. Yeah, I'm okay. It's good. Okay, alright, so now we have this on. Where is my little wrench now? Maybe I put it here. Very good tool. And then this belt is going to go over there. Yeah, so you can keep it like that. Maybe put it a bit like that. Because now we're gonna put in this gearbox unit with a new belt on it. And place it on this lever up here, which you see is very good fitted, like that. Okay, and you can secure it with one screw. It's keyed also in here, so you have it like that on the side and thread it on after you have put it on, like that. If you need just to tighten your current belt, you put it in the forward direction so you can actually feel when it stops. Okay, that's a tips from Captain Granite and his partner Unicorn. And you replace the cutters, the knives, and of course tighten. And the Unicorn is heavily into glitter and glamour, and so he also likes the mechanical works part, which he fantasizes being yeah, I'm a very good mechanic, okay. Oh yeah, you are. The really tighten is hard. You didn't see it when I was doing the movie because I needed two hands. Yeah, there we have it. Okay, so I have put on this flywheel here, or what we call it. This is guidance only for the belt. And when you push the lever up there to engage the dry belt, tightens the belt, and then it starts to engage the wheel. Pretty simple, but very effective. Yeah. So now we can cover it up and have it go. Right, so I can just show you if you want to maybe clean up or change your air filter. The air filter screw is this yellow one. Oh, maybe I need my friend now. What do you say, Unicorn? Do I need to do something extra here? Or? Ah, you have to have the filter in there. You see like that. Okay, so now we have repaired it and everything is back in peace. And as you can see here, the side panels are on, and yeah, so we're gonna try it out and see if it works. Let's go to work. Perfect. Very good. All right, so the work is done. It works perfectly. This Klippo belongs to a very dear friend of mine. Then I'm gonna deliver this excellent machine to my beloved one. Bye bye. Now it's signed, sealed, delivered. The little Klippo